Hello YouTuber, this is Tariq again with another short video. Today we have a 2010 or 11 Ford Escape V6. Customer come in for a check engine light, and he give me some info. He say the other mechanic tell him the check engine light for mass airflow sensor or the air temperature sensor. This sensor work for two things: the mass airflow sensor, the one it read the airflow from the airbox to go into the intake, and it read also the air temperature. It's going from outside or the box to the engine, control the temperature going to the engine. So usually I don't go with this. I have to put my scanner and diagnostic by myself. So we already did. I put the scanner machine. It popped like two code: P0102, P0113. So both spending and one staying. We're not worried about the B100 because that's a battery issue or something with the OBD on board, because I put my scanner machine when the ignition on. So we're not worried about this one. Also, I'm not worried about the B0102 because I know what is this, because I disconnect the wire harness for the mass airflow sensor. So the code is still on. So the B0102, I say the mass airflow sensor circuit low. That's, I know what is it. I disconnect the wire harness for a mass airflow sensor. But the B0113, that's our issue right here. Intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit high, bank 1. So usually guys, when you get this code, don't go ahead just buy the mass airflow sensor or the air temperature sensor right away. Just look at the sensor, look at the give some vision at what's going on. So let me show you guys what happened here. And also I'm gonna tell you something. Try to reset the light before when I do anything. Reset it, start the car, check engine light, come on right away. So, and also he bought the mass airflow sensor, new one. I bought it, hook it up with the car, and it's still the same. It's still pop the same code 0113. So let me show you what's the issue, guys, because I go too deep, and you always have to see what's going on. If you put a new sensor, it doesn't work, you have to look in deep. Look guys, here what happened. We have issue with the wire. That's why I tell you circuit high. Look at the wire. By the way, this is the mass airflow sensor and air temperature sensor. This is the air box. This, any car, if you need to locate the mass airflow sensor, it's gonna be after the airbox or in the intake boot right here. So that's our sensor, and that's the wire. I told you guys I'll unplug it. That's why I give you the other code. So this is our issue, guys. Look, the wire is not connection. Also another two wire, the yellow one and the green one, both of them it's cut. I don't know how that happened, but it could be anything simple like that. I think by the time they remove the air box or they move this wire too much or a lot, so it get wire cut. So we had 2 wire disconnected. The other 4 wire is looking in good shape. So let me go ahead and fix these 2 wire, and I'll be back with you shortly. Thank you. Okay guys, we're back again. So we connect, the 2 wire was cut from the wire harness. Like I say, we connect both together and we hook up the wire harness to the flow sensor. So let's see if the check engine light going away. So let me go ahead, reset the light. Race code. Ignition on, engine off, yes. Just make sure, we need to read the code again. Always forward to give you money option, key on, engine off, or engine on, key on. So it's gonna take a minute here. Yeah guys, always go deep, like look at the wire harness anywhere. You're gonna be surprised, like, why that happen. Don't go ahead and change the part right away. If they tell you circuit high, circuit low, that means something with electric, is not faulty sensor. So just going through the wire, check all the wire, go deeper, and you're gonna find the issue. So look guys, we don't have that code no more. The only code we have, that's for the battery, because we always forward when you check, when you put the scanner machine in forward, and they give you this code when the engine running or the OBD scanner on. So let's start the car. See, no more check engine light. Let's turn it off again, start it back on, make sure, because always when I reset the light, check engine light come back. There you go. So I hope this video helped. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any comment or concern, let me know below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.